Hello everyone. Today is class 5, right? We gonna learn something different today on class 5. We gonna learn the name of animal or the name of the fish. Okay? Ronyo kelas 5, kelas yang kelima, berarti kamu merno beli angka-angka, merno nan binatang. Jadi, sebelum dalam lagi dah tes awaknya tagalan angka-angka kibangga. Okay, before we start, just want you guys to say what you guys learn from 1 to 15. Before tayang start, tayang bawanya, ayo punah dimulang dari 1 sampai 5. Okay, starting with you, Mr. Samsudin.
So 1 to 15?
Yes, 1 to 15. 1 sampai 15.
Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15.
Give me applause to Mr. Roland.
I spent how many hours?
Sombong amat.
Wow, good. Very good. Thank you, Mr. Roland. Ya, see, Mr. Roland ini cukup cepat kan? Dani is Philippine.
Next time, please, because I memorize.
Nyong aneh ulang. Next time. That's okay. John. John.
Yes.
From Iran. 1 to 15, John.
Okay. Ça, les, tout, lemon, aja, lemon, nam,
Okay.
Sujan, papam, sekram.
Okay, good for now. Good to go. 1 to 15, 11 to 15.
Sipla, tupla, lava, putla,
Lava putra.
mobla.
11, 12, 16. Okay.
Yes.
So we are ready, yes.
Lamb,
Not lamb. One, two,
sama dua lapa, nam, sikrom, simla.
Marah memang. Mesir. Good job. Okay. Dia baru phone. Okay. Now, moment terus we gonna learn about thing, or animal thing. Okay. So now you guys can see, right? I put a chicken, lamb, goat, horse, duck, and cow, cattle, something like that, right? So I put my language. Chicken,
Mano.
Let everybody say chicken. Mano. When I say lamb or when I say chicken, you say my language. Okay? Yes, sir.
How is silent? Your language. Mano.
Mano.
How is silent?
Yeah. Okay, chicken.
Mano.
Lamb. Kubili. Lamb. That's your favorite food. Kubili. For kebab. Okay, good.
Amen.
How the sound of kameng, Mr. Samsudin?
Kamen.
How the sound?
Kamen. Oh, like a...
Yeah. That's how you remember. Yeah. Horse. Kuda. Okay. Duck.
Itik.
Yeah. Cow.
Lemon.
Limo. Okay. Now, should I delete it? Did you guys write it down?
Yes, sir.
Nak boleh belum ya belum mampu ya. Yang dia dah mampu macam harus ingat. Tadi ke?
How's the land? Kaburi.
Kubiri. Ya.
Kubiri. Kubiri kamen. Kita lemon.
Okay, I give you guys two minutes to write it down.
Yan, budak orang dia.
Ya, cara satu tim itu hanya family tu benar paju. Jadi bahna pedoman kan, bahna pedoman paju satu tinya mendang. Mendang ini kadang-kadang nak paju satu tinya dong. Jangan dalam Windows. Good, good. Okay, okay now. Okay, ya dalam